So dear students, good afternoon to all of you. We have seen Sharpe Index Model, and we have seen the various steps involved in Sharpe Index Model, and then we have solved one case study in Sharpe Index Model, and then we have taken up a second case study on a Sharpe Index Model, and then we have completed till the calculation of the return, because that particular case study, second case study, the return was not given. So we have calculated the return by using the alpha. So when the alpha is given, you can calculate the return, alpha plus beta into the market return. So in that scenario, market return will be given. So by using market return and alpha, you can calculate the a particular stock return. So we have calculated that particular stock return, and then we have calculated the risk reward ratio for that particular case, and then we have ranked based on the risk reward ratio, we have ranked all the stocks from the highest to lowest, and then we are the third step, that is a calculation of the cutoff rate. So let us take up the third step, the calculation of the cutoff rate in the second case study that we are taking up. So let us take that. Cutoff rate. Can anyone help me to get the stock name? Stock name based on the RI. Then we have beta I. Then standard deviation squared EI. Then we have triple R that we have calculated already. So can anyone help me out?
First one I need.
First one is Anil.
Next the second Avil.
Avil, A-V-I-L.
Third one is Viril, V-I-R-I.
V-I-R-I-L.
Then Bow,
Billy.
Billy.
Bow and Billy. So that's the rank based on triple R, based on risk reward ratio. Then RI is for Anil. RI is how much?
17.085.
17.085.
085.
Avil?
17.745.
17.745.
Viril 16.115.
16.115.
Then Bow 13.37.
13.37. Billy is
10.575.
10.575. So beta is for Anil
0.99.
0.99.
1.27.
1.27.
0.96.
0.96.
No, sir. 1.21.
1.21. So kindly take the relevant beta, the appropriate beta, 1.21.
Then 0.96.
0.96.
0.75.
0.75. Then standard deviation on the unsystematic risk, that is, can anyone help me out? Unsystematic risk. Unsystematic risk.
So can you just show that?
Yeah, it is there in the. I shared the. It's there in the screen. Kindly take it up. Unsystematic risk is 9.35. 9.35. Then
5.92.
5.92. Then 9.79.
9.79.
Then
5.39.
5.39.
4.52.
4.52. The risk reward ratio we have calculated earlier. We have computed risk reward ratio, and we have ranked from the highest to lowest. Can anyone help me out? Risk reward ratio. Triple R. Anil triple R is
12.207.
12.207. Then
10.035.
10.035.
Then 9.186.
9.186.
8.719.
8.719.
719.
Then
Billy 7.433.
7.433. So this is the triple R. We have ranked from the highest to the lowest. Then the sub steps in calculating the cutoff rate. So first we need to calculate Ri minus Rf, into beta I divided by standard deviation square EI, that is divided by the unsystematic risk. So you'll get, so what is the rate? That is the RA is 17.085. The risk-free rate is how much? 5%. So 17.085 minus 5 multiply with 0.99 divide by 9.35. How much comes? So kindly take the calculator and do it. Yes. Yeah. So how much comes first one? First one? 1.28. 1.28. Second?
2.734.
2.734. 2.734.
1.491.
1.491.
No, sir.
Oh, sorry. Sorry.
Third one is 1.374.
1.374. Kindly check. Some of you can kindly check.
Then 1.491.
1.491.
0.925.
0.925. This is the first step in computing the cutoff rate. The second sub-step, that is beta square the beta, divide by unsystematic risk. That is 0.99 square divided by 9.35. 0.99 square divided by 9.35. How much comes?
0.105.
0.105.
0.272.
0.272.
0.150.
0.150.
0.171.
0.171.
0.124.
0.124. Okay. Then get the cumulative frequency. Get the cumulative frequency of both substep 1 and substep 2 cumulative frequency. That is sigma Ri minus Rf into beta I divided by standard deviation square EI. Okay. There is 1.28. First one is 1.28. Second one 1.28 plus 2.734.
4.014.
4.014. Then 4.014 plus 1.374. 1.374. Which comes 5.388. Then 5.388 plus 1.491. 1.491. 6.879. 6.879 plus 0.925. 7.804. Okay. Then get the cumulative frequency of the second substep beta square divided by standard deviation square EI. That is 0.105. Okay, plus 0.272. 0.105 plus 0.377. 0.377 plus 0.150. 0.527. 0.527 plus 0.171. 0.698. 0.698 plus 0.124. 822. Okay. Now get the last figure. Put the values. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So market variance. The cutoff rate is equal to market variance into eighth column divided by 1 plus market variance into ninth column. Okay. So market variance into eighth column divided by 1 plus market variance into ninth column. That is market variance is 10%. So 10 into 0.18, 10 into 1.28 divided by 1 plus 10 into 0.105. So 10 into 1.28 divided by 1 plus 10 into 0.105. So that will give you the cutoff rate for first stock. How much comes? Cutoff rate for a first stock.
6.25.
So please check. 10.28 divided by 1 plus 10 into 0.105.
6.25.
6.25. First one is 6.25. Kindly check. 6.25.
8.41.
8.41.
8.59. 8.62.
8.62.
Next one 8.46.
8.46. 8.46. So look at that the pattern. Look at the cutoff rate pattern. It's increasing. 6.25, 8.41, 8.60, 8.62 and 8.46 starts declining. So the highest is, this is what the place, this is what we call it, single cutoff rate. Single cutoff rate. Single cutoff rate. Okay. Single cutoff rate is 8.62. So it starts increasing up to certain level, then starts declining. So the single cutoff rate is known as 8.62. So kindly compare the single cutoff rate with the risk reward ratio. So the risk reward ratio of stock 1, it is anil, avil, viral, bow. All this risk reward ratio is greater than a single cutoff rate. So that all the 4 stocks have been selected, and even afterwards what happens is even the risk reward ratio. So look at this risk reward ratio of the last one, 7.433, that is less than the single cutoff rate. So the Billy stock is removed. So kindly write the single cutoff rate is 8.62. The single cutoff rate is 8.62. Stocks such as Anil, Avil, Viral and Bow. Stocks such as Anil, Avil, Viral and Bow. Risk reward ratio are greater than the single cutoff rate, bracket 8.62. Stocks such as Anil, Avil, Viral and Bow, risk reward ratio is greater than single cutoff rate. These stocks will be part of optimal portfolio. The risk reward ratio of Billy, is less than single cutoff rate. This stock will not be part of optimal portfolio. Okay. So this is your step 4. So what stocks are part of portfolio, what stocks are not part of optimal portfolio, that is your step 4. You compare risk reward ratio with a single cutoff rate. Then we need to have, and what proportion this fund has to be invested. So we have 4 stocks, and what proportion the fund need to be allocated, that we need to look at. So we need to calculate the next value. That is Z value. That is Z is equal to beta I divided by standard deviation square EI into triple R minus single cutoff rate. Okay. So Anil, Anil's beta is 0.99 divided by 9.35 into risk reward ratio is
12.207.
12.7
207
12.207 minus 8.62. Okay, then I will beta is 1.27 divided by 5.92 into 10.035 minus 8.62. So this particular thing always be positive. As we have discussed earlier, the single cutoff rate must be less than the risk reward ratio. The risk reward ratio must be greater than single cutoff rate, then only you will get positive value. Then we have Viral. Viral beta is 1.21 divided by 9.79 into 9.186 minus 8.62. Then bow beta is 0.96 divided by 5.39 into 8.719 minus 8.62. So when you look at all the stocks risk reward ratio is greater than single cutoff rate. So you will get always positive value. So how much it comes? So that you will add, you will get a percentage. Okay. So how much comes? How much comes? First one. So a lot of calculation is there because you need to practice. Kindly practice, otherwise it will be very difficult for the examination point of view. So kindly practice. You have a case, these 2 case studies, and we have a few more case studies given in the LMS. So kindly practice all this at any point of time. You can ask any kind of doubts once the classes are over. When you are preparing yourself for the examination, you can call at any time through WhatsApp or through email. It's very, very important. Not only this is the ultimate of the entire course. The ultimate of the entire course is the portfolio construction. Okay. So this particular portfolio construction, everyone should be known thoroughly, because when we are in the industry now, currently we have a lot of software available. So if you fit in everything, you will get. But software will not give you single cutoff rates. Software will not give you at what particular stocks will be selected. All that. So this is the all human wisdom. So human wisdom is more important in managing the others' money, because we are going to manage the others' money. It's not our money. We are going to manage others' money. So we need to be very, very careful in the particular process. Yeah. So what's the value?
How many decimal points, sir?
First one?
How many decimal points?
The 3 decimals you can go. You can go for 3 decimals. First one,
0.380.
0.378.
8.
378. So 379. Okay. 379. Second one. 0.302. Then 3rd one. 0.063. 0.063. And 4th one. 0.06. 069. 0.069. Okay. And then 3rd one. 3rd one. Check the answer. (0.96) divided by 5.39 into 8.7. Last one 0.017. Please check. Is that right?
First one is 0.3798. That is 3 point.
Okay. Slight variation is there.
Yeah. The second one is 0.304. Third one is 0.070. Fourth one is 0.018.
0.0. Yeah.
70.
Can you check, Subhashri? Can you check the first one? First one is right. 0.37. Please check. First one is right. 0.376. Is that right?
Yes, sir.
Second one 0.0302. Is that right?
0.30355. That is 0.304.
0.
30355. That is 0.304.
Second one
Second,
0.304
30355.
or 0.304. So second one 0.304. Please check. Okay, 0.304 and 0.069 or 0.70. 0.070. 070. Okay, 069. That's all right. Then second one is 0.017. 0.018. 18. Okay. So get sigma z. Get the sigma z. Get the total. Get the total.
So the last one, what you written?
0.018. 0.018. Okay. Not 017, 018. Okay. I think it's all right. Second one is 0.304. Second one is 0.304.
Okay.
So total sigma z is equal to, that is 0.376 plus 0.304 plus 0.069 plus 0.018. How much comes?
0.767.
0.767. So now you calculate the proportion. Get the proportion. Okay. Get the proportion. That is 0.376 divided by 0.767. 0.376 divided by 0.767. So around 50% will come. 0.376 divided by 0.767. Which comes?
0.49.
0.49. That is 49%. So 49% of the funds invested in stock, Anil. 49%. then 0.304. 0.304 divided by 0.767. 0. 0.40, 40%. So 40% of funds is invested in stock. I will 0.069. 0.069 divided by 0.767. So remaining 89%. So remaining 11% is there. So 11% will be third one. 0.09. So 9%. So remaining will be 2%. 0.02, 2%. So total 100%. Okay. So 2% of funds is invested in BOW. So multiply the percentage with the return we have calculated, you will get a portfolio return. So portfolio return is multiply both. So return is there. Return. So return is, what's the return? This given, we have calculated the return. That is 17.085. 17.085. Then 17.745. No? Second one, Abel is 17.745. Then 16.115. Then 13 point. Anybody? BOW's return? 13 point? 13.37. So multiply. There is 0.49 into 17.785. 0.4 into 17.745. 0.09 into 16.115. 0.02 into 13.37. You will get the total return. 0.49 into 17.785 plus 0.4 into 17.745, 0.09 into 16.115, 0.02 into 13.37. That will give you portfolio return. How much comes? Multiply both. We will get the return. So 17.785 into 0.49. Anybody? 17.785 into 0.49. Portfolio return.
8.371.
Portfolio return. How much?
8.371.
8.371. Second one is 17.745 into 0.4. 17.745 into 0.4.
7.098.
17 point. No. Please check.
7 point.
7 point. Yeah. 7.098.
098.
16.115 into 0.09.
1.45.
1.45. 13.37 into 0.02. Would be
0.267.
0.267. Add it. That will be your
17.186.
16 point.
17.186.
17.186. That is your portfolio return. So 17% is your portfolio return. Okay. So this is the only model that we have for portfolio construction in the world. In the world, we have only one model we have for portfolio construction. For any mutual fund company, keep in mind, they calculate portfolio return by using this model. So Sharpe Index Model is the only model available for the industry to calculate mutual fund return. So here you have a 5 stocks, there you will have a 10 stocks. So minimum 10 stocks they will have for mutual fund. So every mutual fund is an optimal portfolio. Every mutual fund is an optimal portfolio. So that is why we recommend all the portfolio managers, and market recommends all the investors to invest in a mutual fund, because all the mutual funds are properly optimized.